Hi guys, how's it going? It's Vin Rider. I haven't posted in a while, I'm sorry. I got a new GoPro though, so I'm gonna test it out and take you with me today. I'm going to get tested for the coronavirus, for COVID-19. I have to do it for work. I do it at the Orlando Convention Center, and it's a government-run facility, so I've done it there before. It works very smoothly. You know, you just go through, get the swab up your nose, and I'll just show you guys how it works, all right? Here you can see the signs, COVID-19 testing straight ahead. Here is all the cones that they have lined up. You just follow this road, COVID-19 testing. You can see there is law enforcement, so they're keeping everyone safe. They have little porta potties set up for everyone as well, in case the line gets this long, but from what I've heard, it doesn't usually get this long, so today is no different. Very easy drive in, not a very long line, very easy to get tested these days. This is essentially the main site. Once you turn in here, definitely a few more cars once you enter in here. It looks like today, because it is raining, the first checkpoint where they get your name and information is closed, probably because it's raining, so everyone is probably just in the parking garage. But as you can see, a lot of cones, decent amount of cars now. A little wait here, longer than I anticipated. I would guess it's probably at least a 30-minute wait. But this is the line you wait in until you get to the parking garage straight ahead. So we'll check back once we get up there. Like I said before, this is my second time getting tested for COVID-19 here. It's usually a pretty easy process. Once they get all your information, you'll do the nose swab, they'll take it. Usually it takes 4 to 5 days for you to get your results back. And that's pretty much it. It hurts a little, but besides that, it's pretty simple. All right, guys, as you can see, we're getting pretty close. They're gonna start taking down, you know, your name and address and all that stuff. I don't have a pen.
Give me your information. What's your last name? What's your date of birth?
5/14/92.
What's your phone number?
561.
That's your result paper. That's what you need to get your results.
Okay, thank you. So this is the results paper. It has 3 different ways you can get your results, or usually they text you. If you don't get the text after 4 days, you can go to one of these websites or email them. So also after the fact, after you give them your information, they put a little testing kit on the front of your windshield, which will get you, you know, has all your information on it, and the testing stuff in it. So we're almost there, guys. We're almost there. Okay, we're through the initial part, and now we're getting up to the parking garage, and you could see, we'll see a little closer when you get up there. There's some military personnel making sure everything is kept in line. And we're pulling up to our section. They're squeezing everyone in here. Kind of see there's people over here, people testing over here, people down there, testing medical people, military people. It's, if you've ever, you know, it kind of looks like a movie. It almost looks just like a movie to me, you know, like a catastrophe movie. Gonna get a nice view of them sticking into my nose, and you'll see how far it goes up. I'll get the lights on. And here we are. And we are in our testing section. And they're gonna come up to the window and ask me questions and stuff. See them all right there. All the different sections for each car to get tested. Just waiting for my swab. It hurts a little, I'm not gonna lie. It's a little painful. Drink a little water before. A little scared. A little nervous. Hi, at this window, only the...
Verify that your name was validated correctly.
Can I see the last name? Yep.
Take your mask down so when it goes down your nose all the way back. Okay, so front part, put the front part. Okay. Good, tilt your head back. Have your nose facing me. All the way back, all the way down. Alright, thank you.
That's it?
Yep, you're good to go. Have a good one.
Thank you. Oh, that one went a lot further back than the other time I did it. Ah, frig. That one hurt a little. Yeah, it's not a fun test because they really, really stick it back there. And yeah, not good. But that's it. It's easy. Now we're leaving. You verify your name and your date of birth on the tube. They stick the tube way back in the back of your nose, and then you're off and on your way, and we're out of here. And that's how COVID-19 testing works. And that's pretty much how like the government testing facilities are doing it. You know, that's not, your doctor's offices are going to do it differently than that, but that's the drive-through government COVID-19 testing, in case you were wondering what it was like. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, and have a good day and stay safe.